Nilikuwa nataka tu witness.
Uikaine wa 2018 niguo riendekithia ria kugathika mubango wa kuhe Mbeu njithi mieke ya mawira kwa ihinda niguo internship program thirikari-ini ya kaunti wathugundirwo ni mbunge ya Naikuru. Na umuthi ikireka ria mbere ria mubango uyu ria rugurio thutha wa kugathikwo na kuhitukio mutaratara-ini wa mahuthiro na mathabu ma kaunti ma mwaka wa 2021 mwaka wa 2022.
So in the next 2 months, we are also recruiting another 591 workers. In total, our governor will have employed 1,315 workers in the last 1 to 2 years.
Mbeu njithi 550 kuma wadi ciothe 55 cia kaunti ya Naikuru umuthi mambiriria wira honge-ini itiganite kuria mariamukagira marihi kuma kuri thirikari ya kaunti mubango uria wagathikirwo ciringi milioni 72.
Finance there are 91, education there are 138, instructors are 67. The board, we have also board workers, 10 of them, 3 physical planners and 16 who are working in the roads department, and even firemen, roads and engineers.
Iguru ria Mbeu njithi aya ni arutani 256 a thukuru wa nathari aria marikite gukindirwo mawira-ini mao. Thigari cia kanjo aria marandikitwo na njira ya kandarathi o undu umwe na aruti angi a wira a kaunti.
Do not forget where you have come from, and I want you to know that when we got into this county, there was not even one single teacher employed by the county. We had children going to our ECDs, but there were no teachers.
Oho ni meraniria kuandika arigitani thiku ciukite gavana Kinyanjui agithingata aria magunikiite na mieke ya mawira gutungatira muingi na njira nginyaniru.
And as a county, we are doing the little that we can, but we realize that the pool of young qualified people is so huge that we require a national intervention so that we can be able to absorb our young people.
Let us serve our county, because wherever you are, wewe ukiwa askari pale kwa gate, wewe ndiye governor wa hiyo askari, wa hiyo gate. Wewe ukiwa mwalimu kwa darasa, wewe ndiye governor hapo.
Mubango wa mukiritwo na gikeno kinene ni aria magunikiite na mieke eno.
So on behalf of the parents, I want to take this opportunity to thank God for you, that even He may prolong your term in service so that you can continue even serving this community.
Wewe ndio gavana wa kwanza kuajiri walimu under permanent and pensionable term.
I can confirm that all these people you see here are not here under any patronage or nepotism or any consideration apart from merit.
Giribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Naikuru ritwa riakwa ni wa ng'ombe wa maina.